Feel like everybody's a realtor? It's not your imagination, it's truth. There's more realtors than ever right now. And it makes it 10 times harder to stand out from above the crowd, guys. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the top 3 challenges for realtors right now. Let's go. The first problem is a lack of differentiation. So obviously with there being so many realtors, you go talk to somebody and go, oh, actually my cousin's a realtor, my sister's a realtor, whatever the case may be. And most of the time, that's it. There's nothing you can do. So when everyone offers the same services, listing, staging, open houses, whatever it may be, clients usually struggle to see why they should choose you over, their cousin. So in this case, you need to really just focus on how to stand out. And really the top things that I recommend and that we always help our real estate clients do is just develop a niche. You have to really, focus in on one single niche. Don't just, make videos for everybody. Don't review, condos and a house, then a luxury apartment, then, a big open house with many acres. You want to really just pick one and sell to that specific niche. So if you're in an area that has a lot of nice luxury condos, maybe you live in a bigger city, start reviewing those and just do it directly for one single person you're looking at. People have a lot of money. If you're in an area that doesn't have that, maybe for example, as you can see on screen, if you want to do for military families or something, you're maybe in a more vacation area, you can do vacation homes, whatever the case may be, right? So obviously from there, you're gonna want to build a personal brand. Share authentic stories, values, and insights on social media and your marketing. Guys, I'm putting up some examples on the screen, but there's so many realtors with so much following. Like anywhere from 10 to 50,000 followers on Instagram, YouTube, whatever it may be. And if you're in the area, that's the guy you're going to be buying from. He's a local authority. So that's where you want to get to. Obviously, these guys don't do it overnight. They post hundreds of videos over the last few years. So obviously, you have to offer a unique client experience as well, provide high value extras. Think complementary value, so home prep consultation, custom video tours, and moving concierge, stuff like that. So things that make you stand out. You want to really stand out. You don't want to be like every other realtor that just does the normal. So number 2, the other thing is struggling to generate quality leads. So the problem is that there's so many agents, lead sources get crowded, especially on stuff like Zillow, Redfin, social media. It's these things. Every single real estate agent is on there. There are hundreds of thousands of real estate agents, so it gets pretty difficult. How do you stand out in this situation? So obviously you want to invest in community involvement. You want to become the local authority, like I said a few minutes ago. You want to become the recognizable local expert through events, sponsorships, and volunteering. So maybe there's a local soccer league or whatever that people frequent a lot. Maybe you want to pay whatever it may cost to put your banner up so everybody keeps seeing your face consistently at these family events or these events that people go to a lot. You want to go to marketing events. You want to market yourself and put yourself out there. Most of these people, other realtors, aren't doing that, so you want to really step up your game if you can and get out there. Obviously create original content, workshops, publish blogs, free value, give value to your neighborhood, guides, and you can send these out. You don't have to be all day just publishing blogs, because at the end of the day it's just a waste of time. But what you want to do is you want to make stuff that people around you are very interested in. So if you're in an area, for example, has high season and low season, you really want to focus on how you can maybe make it through a low season and then make it easier on the high season. Something like that just helps people get through their specific problems. Obviously, then we have referral systems. This is, I think, a real estate agent's best friend. You want to build strong relationships with past clients and local professionals who can send you warm leads. So if you have a big sphere of influence, keep tapping into that. Don't let all the people in your sphere of influence get cold. You want to always be reaching out, sending them things that maybe don't even have to do with real estate. You don't want to be that guy, that real estate agent that just texts all your friends all the time, or all the people that are a little bit further away about real estate and just, hey, I can sell now. You want to even send them, free stuff about their home if you want. You can even send them funny memes. It doesn't have to be anything like that. Just have conversations with people. If you can meet people that are talking to thousands of people, for example, maybe a college professor that is always talking with college students looking to rent a home and then get into buying a home a few years after that. That's a big one. A lot of people always sleep on people trying to rent homes, because obviously as a real estate agent you earn zero to very little commission on that. So but if you can get those guys right now, in a year or two, they're going to be buying a house when their lease is over. So it really is just struggling through it. I know it's not going to give you a lot of money, but if you can really find something like that, you'll be standing out from the rest. And obviously the third one, it's difficult to gain trust quickly, especially when everyone else is a real estate agent now. So consumers are very worried because they're constantly being pitched by realtors. Everybody wants to sell. Trust is hard to earn when everyone else is just saying, hey, buy from me, sell with me, whatever it may be, right? How do you stand out in this situation? Educate instead of sell. Like I'm always preaching, guys, here, you want to use your how I'm always preaching here, guys, you want to use your platforms to expand your market trends, give out free tips, and protect your clients' interests. So just make it seem like you're on their side, because in reality you are on their side. This is just organic from you. It's going to help connect with them and help that trust go a lot further. So if you're trusted, I've seen people where they have a brother or a sister who are realtors and they go with somebody else just because that brother or sister doesn't really try that much. Or just like, oh yeah, I have my license over there, but I'm not an actual real estate agent. If you're an actual real estate agent and you get someone to trust you, they might even pick you over their brother or sister that is a real estate agent. I've seen it happen before, guys. Obviously, you want to show social proof. So testimonials, success stories, reviews, all that stuff is very important. Any past clients that you may not have that from, reach out and ask them for some videos or review. And obviously, lastly, you want consistency and professionalism. Follow up reliably on any leads, respond fast, and always put the client's best interest first. Obviously, it goes without saying. It sounds basic, but it's stuff that people forget. So I hope you guys learned a lot from this quick training. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you guys around.